What? Eat na. Subo na, subo. 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 Kanin?
Yes, it's coming.
This is Bilyahuan family. Welcome to the vlog. Say hi, Alora.
Hello.
Now say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
What's up? You said kain tayo. Ay, stick.
Okay.
Okay, let the people see. You eat.
Kapit sa tunog. Lapit sa...
Okay, eat na. Eat. Okay, eat na. Yes, very good.
Nang-guot may dali.
Very good.
Sok-sok na isa.
Very good.
Eat na. Eat na.
The family that eats together will live happily ever after. Char. Para magka ng fairy tale. Oh, eat na, Laura.
I have the food.
Yummy?
Pwede na ko ano yun. Tayo. Kana mag-uot mo ko niya.
Very good. Hindi, potassium ang good na. Sa mga kaunuran.
Ano ko na. Kakatulong sa sayo.
Sige, pwede both.
Itong MMK ba? Itong basta, diba? Kanya sa pasa-pasa again. Kaya marag niya, di ba, anemic ka, leukemia, di ba, ang mahulaman
Maraming cancer.
Nyamot, dagan siya pasa. Nya, ini karang mabangga lang siya, pwede siya mamatay. Karang murag, kumbaga, isang ana or mabangga yung body sa kuan na, pwede siya
Ketong siyang
mamatay.
dugo.
Gahigda lang ko siya. Nya, mangayog tubig. Pahingi ng tubig, wala siya, lihok-lihok. Kato na to sila, tulo sila mag-insuon na yung mga sakit.
Doon na siya.
MMK. Ang isa kay kuan sa mata niya.
What happened, Laura? What happened?
Mama.
Mimi.
Mama, have my help.
Where?
I said to Mama, never cover.
Labas?
Yes, I'm going to someone has made nothing needed glitter.
Oh, Mimi will open that?
Open it, I will go in with glitter.
Oh, I see. So what you're going to do?
So do I find it and Lola has been here.
Okay, you eat kanin na.
Yes, she told me to be in of the sky bus.
Yeah, Sky is labas too.
Her doggy has done me all the cool stuff. This happy the doggy ain't having it. The doggy has some the bus.
Oh, yes. Oh, you eat kanin na. You eat kanin. Oh, no.
Okay.
You must eat yourself with you, ah. You must eat yourself with you.
Ano
Barang lahi naman to.
Let's do it in her house.